in my line of business as a tech person, I always meet a lot of people each and every day. And most of them ask me, they want to earn extra income. Do I know a skill that can help them? But I always ask them, have you heard about Forex trading? Today, I have with me one of the seasoned Forex analysts, mentor in Ghana, to share a short insight about what Forex trading. Hi, Wilson.
Cool Collins.
Yeah, welcome. I hope you are doing fine.
Very well.
Are people making money in the Forex market in Ghana?
Of course. I mean, we have a lot of people like celebrities, businessmen who are venturing into Forex trading as a means of income. So they can focus on it as a primary source of income or as a means of generating revenue to finance their businesses or their careers. Yes.
What is Forex trading?
Okay, so Forex trading is basically the trading of currencies. And currencies, actually Forex is the short form for foreign exchange.
Okay.
So it's actually an acronym,
Okay.
all right? So it's basically the largest financial market in the world, which involves the buying and selling of what? Currencies for profits. Yeah.
Okay. How do people make profits in the markets? Because if you are saying that, how do people make profits in the market?
Okay, so in the Forex market, there are two participants.
Okay.
We have the buyers and the sellers.
Okay.
So the buyers are those who take advantage of an upward movement in price. So for instance, if I believe the British pound versus the US dollar, the British pound has the potential of increasing in value against the US dollar, what will I do? I'll buy the British pound and then sell it back later, and the difference becomes my profit.
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah,
Yes. So that is how it is done.
So normally you trade the Forex market with like pairs, currency pairs.
Exactly. Currencies are traded in pairs. Yeah.
Okay. Is it only currencies that you trade in the market, or there are other commodities or area that you can also make profit from?
Okay, so the financial market is broad. So we have Forex being a subsidiary. So we have Forex which involves the buying and selling of currencies.
Yeah.
We also have the stock market, which involves the trading of stocks. We also have crypto, and we also have the bond market and other financial instruments. So the financial market is not limited to just trading currencies. No, you can also trade stocks, commodities like gold, oil, and other instruments or assets. Yeah.
As somebody who wants to start Forex trading, and when we started, I mentioned I meet a lot of people because I'm a tech person. I do trainings for like digital marketing and that kind of stuff.
Right.
A lot of people say, okay, they are already Forex traders. Sometimes when you mention it to them, okay, I've blown my account and I don't want to go there. Some of these people that are not making consistent gain in the market, what is the main problem?
Okay, first and foremost, I would like to speak about capacity, because in whatever business you are doing, you need capacity. So what capacity do you need to trade Forex and trade it successfully? There are three capacities. So one is the financial capacity, which refers to the capital needed to get into it. Then we have the intellectual capacity, which speaks about the skills, the knowledge about the market, understanding how the market works, what drives it, okay? Then we have the emotional capacity, which has to do with how you handle trade outcomes and expectations. You get it? So if someone comes to me and says, oh, my brother, I've been losing quite an amount of money in the market, so can you help me? I'll try to probe further to find out his challenge. Probably he may be lacking in intellectual capacity, so therefore he needs to what? Enroll in an academy so that he can be provided with the right training for him to understand how the market works. All right. But sometimes someone or a client may understand how the market works, may be good in analysis and all that, but guess what? He's a greedy trader. All right, so greed is emotional. Exactly. And greed is not something that you should consider when trading the financial market. All right, and also lack of patience. There are so many analysts in Ghana today. They are very good in trading, but I bet you they are so impatient. For instance, they don't wait for the right setup to execute a trade.
When it comes to money matters, the hard challenge.
Yes, I agree with you, because trading involves money, and money invokes emotions. You get it? That is why you need the right emotional capacity to handle trading. You get it?
Yeah, I get you.
Last, a client came to me and said, so Wilson, can I be a good trader? And I said, why not? Provided you are ready to pay the right dues, all right? Provided you are ready to, acquire the right skills and the right knowledge and the right capacity to succeed, why not? Because a lot of traders feel like it's a get-rich-quick scheme. Oh, yeah. I'm going to deposit today and by next week I'm a millionaire. No, that's not how it works. Okay, so patience plays a major role in this industry. You need to be patient to see your account grow steadily, because consistency is the name of the game.
Exactly. In life, when it comes to consistency, that is how success is all about.
Exactly. Yeah.
If somebody wants to start Forex trading, is there any institution in Ghana that teaches people how? Yeah.
Of course. I mean, I represent Gildex Forex Academy, and our job is to provide you with the right knowledge and skills and mentorship for you to be able to trade successfully and professionally. Okay, so our courses are centered on the market and also on the trader. Because a lot of institutions are out there, yes, but many of them are not focused on the trader. Many of them are more of understanding how the market works and all that. But I mean, from our conversation so far, you can attest to the fact that it is not just the skills or knowledge of the market that matters. No, you need the right emotional capacity to handle the outcomes and expectations of the market. You get it? So we provide you training on how to be a disciplined trader. All right? Trading is like driving. You don't learn how to drive by sitting in a classroom. You learn how to drive by driving. You get it? So it means there is something that you need to do. There is something that you need to get rid of and train within you when driving. You get it? Probably you may sit in a classroom and learn one or two things about driving, but it doesn't take away the fear that may be trapped in you that is sitting behind the steering wheel. How do you overcome that? By doing it. All right? So we provide you with the right topics to address every single emotional challenge you may need when it comes to trading the markets.
That is really great. In my research, there are some people that already have the money, but they don't have the time to trade and all that.
Yeah.
And I read about copy trading.
Yeah.
What is copy trading?
So basically, copy trading is basically you are copying the trading activities of one trader on your account automatically.
That means an experienced trader.
Exactly, an experienced trader with a proven track record. So for instance, let's say I am trader A and you are trader B. And let's say you don't have the time to trade, but you see that I'm a very good trader. You want to copy whatever I'm doing on my account. Copy trading allows you to automatically link your account to mine so that whatever I do on mine will reflect on yours. So if I place a series of trades on my account, automatically you see it reflecting on yours.
So that means even I don't have knowledge, but I have the funds and I've created an account.
Right. Exactly. So you may not have the knowledge, but you are able to benefit from Forex. You get it? Because you are actually copying my style of trading, copying my assets or the currency pairs I'm trading on your platform without even a manual interference. Because it's automatic. Copy trading is automatic. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is to link your account to mine, right, through a technology, and whatever I do on mine will reflect on yours.
This is a very good insight. Thank you, Wilson.
Thank you, Cool Collins.